Today, we're going to be talking about how to create an event in Yamdu's project calendar. Now, this feature is going to be really important in scheduling urgent meetings, communicating with the crew, and really allow us to stay on top of everything during the scope of production. Now, let's dive right into the calendar page. This can be found within our project we're currently working on. And on the left-hand column, we can see calendar. Now we have a full view of the calendar month. Now, there are a couple of ways of doing this. We can simply go to the obvious create an event button on the top left corner, or we have the option of selecting a date on the calendar to create an event. Whichever action we take, we will be prompted with a pop-up window. So let's go and click on this day. Here, we can start filling in the details to customize the event a little more. So let's start by adding a time frame for this event. Let's make it a week-long event. And we can already see some overlapping events here. Now, because every calendar within Yamdu is connected, we are automatically going to get warnings that will tell us of any conflicting dates. So let's just go back and change this to a same-day event and maybe even put in a time frame. And let's just go ahead and make this an hour-long event. Let's add a title and go with quarterly meeting. And we can even add a description for the event for our participants. That way, they'll always have a better understanding of what this event is going to be about. For the location, let's enter search, hill, valley. And because of the Google API, we can find the exact location we're looking for. And let's go ahead and select this location. On to the participants. In this field, we have the option to limit the event to the specific group of participants that need to be in attendance concerning this particular event. In this case, because I am the event creator, I will automatically be included as one of the participants of this event. But let's narrow it down further by using the drop-down menu and select just the production. And as soon as we hover, we're going to be able to see the participants that are actually included in this particular group. And we can see that one of our participants has an overlapping event. But we'll come back to this in just a second. For now, let's move on to the visibility, where we again have the option to filter the access to view the event. Let's make it visible for every member accessing the calendar page. And now we can select a category for the event. We can color code it with an existing category, or we can create a whole new color just for this event. Now, let's address this warning here. A cool feature of the calendar is that we can always suggest dates and new times for those participants with overlapping schedules. Unfortunately, one of our participants already has another event planned for this particular date, so what we can do is offer some alternative dates or suggestions instead. And here we can input different time slots or even different dates altogether. And let's just go ahead and make several suggestions so that our participants have the choice to select a time or date that suits them better. And this is looking pretty good. We've made a couple suggestions, and let's go ahead and create this event. Going back to the calendar page, we can see the suggested dates which will appear faded or grayed on the calendar, as well as the current proposed event on the calendar. Let's quickly go back and check to see if anyone has agreed with one of the suggested dates. And we can see that based on the poll right here, that the 18th is going to be the preferable choice for our participants. So let's go right ahead and select this date. And we can see all the suggestions are now gone, leaving us with the finalized date of the event, which is perfect. And I've just gone ahead and changed the color of the event as well. And as a quick reminder, if we're still unsatisfied with the event date, we can always go back and make adjustments to it. I also wanted to mention that we can always drag and drop our event into another date on the calendar. And if it happens to be an all-day event, we have the option of extending it into a week-long time frame. And this is how to create an event in Yamdu's project calendar. As always, thanks for watching and click like and subscribe for more video content.